Hey y'all, it's Whitney from She Buys It. I am here at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I want to make sure you know that on November 6th, this place is going to be packed with 118 women from all over the country. We're going to be talking about real estate deals. We're going to be talking about real estate investing. We're going to be talking about real estate wealth. We're going to be talking about real estate. We're going to be talking about real estate. Did I mention that? Okay, and I want you to be here with us. I want you to walk through those doors right there with all of these women getting their deals done, all right? And whether it's your first deal done fast and your absolute first deal ever, or whether it's just you working on your first deal done fast with me, I'm here to help you, all right? But the only way I can help you is for you to come to the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th. It's called She Buys It Live, and it was made from a woman to a woman just like you who wants to get her first deal done fast, who wants to build up those apartments, who wants to use other people's money, all right? This is the place for women who want to be real estate investors to get together, to talk about getting their first deal done fast, to celebrate having their first deal done fast, and to do all the things that women love to do when they get together and talk about real estate investing. All right, I want you to be here. I want you to claim one of those 118 seats so that you can be here with us at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th. All right, go to SheBuysItLive.com and get your ticket. If you're already in First Deal Done Fast, if you're already in the FDDF family, you totally need to get your cute patootie here. All right, nothing online replaces face-to-face interaction. The energy that's going to be in this building is just going to be unreal. But I want you to make it real, and I want you to get here to Knoxville, Tennessee, November 6th through the 9th for She Buys It Live. Go to SheBuysItLive.com. And I'll also tell you, if you're in First Deal Done Fast, go to SheBuysItLive.com. But if you haven't joined First Deal Done Fast, I'm going to give you a free ticket to She Buys It Live when you join First Deal Done Fast before September 15th. You got to pay in full, but I'm going to give you a free ticket to She Buys It Live when you join First Deal Done Fast and become part of the FDDF family so that we can hug your neck here in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th at She Buys It Live. This is the Mill and Mine building, and I can't wait to see you here.